y'all, it's Denise, and I'm in my studio this morning, and I wanted to share with you the finished piece of the collaborative piece I worked on in my video, my last video, with wood sculptor Scott Bruckner. And I got the piece finished and entered into the Working Together show with O'Hanlon Art Center up in Mill Valley. So I'll show you a picture of the finished piece, but I really want to mention collaboration, collaborative work. This is not the first piece of collaborative art that I worked on. I've worked on several before, and I have to just tell you, they are so much fun. They really help you open yourself up to different ways of doing things. It's just a really great exercise, not to mention a lot of fun. So I'm going to show you a picture of this finished piece, and I'm also going to tack on to this a video of 5 artists. We all worked on one painting, and it was called 5 Paints 1. It was the traveling painting. So each of us got a 24 by 24 cradle board. We had one between the 5 of us, and we each had 1 week to add our marks onto it. And then we actually traveled and took it to the next studio and left it with that artist to continue on with the piece until all 5 of us had our marks and our paint and our ideas down on that cradle board. And then at the very end, we put it online, we sold it right away, and the money we gave to a charitable organization. That was really great. It felt good to be able to do that, but it felt really good to be able to work with the other 4 artists, because I was one of the 5, and create something really fun and while being reflective of your own work and respectful of the person before you or the people, artists before you, and not completely erase their marks. So I think we were really successful. And if you're interested in doing collaborative work, you might be interested in our point of view. Keep on going with this video, and I will see you in the next studio session. Thanks so much for being here. Bye.
Hi, I was number 1. I was the first artist to paint on the board. My name is Yalian. I'm one of the 5 artists in 5 Art. I'm here to talk to you about our adventure with the traveling painting. It was so much fun, you can't imagine. It was really nice to be the first one. I knew that I had to make as many personal marks, and I was because I knew they were going to be covered by the other ones. And that feeling of letting go, like, it was amazing. I was not attached to anything there, and I knew the second one and third one and the 4th one and the 5th one was going to be respectful enough to leave some of my marks. And I was ready to let them all go. I told the second one that I was not gonna be mad if she covered the entire painting, and I told the 5th one the same thing, and all the others. And I think they did an amazing job. They left everybody's personal marks on the canvas, and that's what it gives the richness and the excitement on the canvas. And I was really happy to see the final product, and I was ready to keep it if nobody will buy it. I think it's amazing. We had a lot of fun, and I will do it again and again and again. And I hope you really like seeing all the adventure and all the phases of the painting. And thank you for watching. Thank you.
I don't think any of the artists in the 5 art group, I don't think any of us have anticipated how much fun we would have, not only painting the traveling painting, but making the traveling painting travel and figuring out the logistics of that. It was a really wonderful call and response. Started out with Yael Yan, who did the bases and laid down the groundwork for the painting. My name is Denise Serro, and I was number 2 in line. Being a mixed media artist, I laid down a lot of papers, being really careful not to touch, go over things that I knew were really important to Yael, and things that really let her shine in the work. The beautiful thing is, as the painting went on, after me, it went to Susie Zoll, then to Anne Golumbach, then to Minaz Rezadeh, before it finally ended up going to Texas to its owner. The beautiful thing about this is each and every one of us really paid special attention to make sure that each artist was able to show through on the painting. And when you look at the painting, you see little pieces of all of us, not all little pieces, they're pretty strong, each and every one. And it is a wonderful lesson in letting go, of being respectful, of enjoying working together, and we all do that. So many wonderful aspects to this project were involved, and I just have to say, if you have an opportunity, anybody out there has an opportunity to get a group together, could be 3 artists, could be 2 artists that just go back and forth, could be 10 artists. Collaborative work is really creative, expansive experience. And if you have the opportunity to do it, I would do it. Get into it and have fun. I know we did, and we'll be doing it again. So thanks.
Hey there, artist number 3 here in the lineup of 5 art artists talking about our experience of the traveling painting. I'm Susie Zoll, and I'm going to say that my favorite part of this whole process was watching all the videos. I loved watching the painting arriving at the artist's studio, and then what they were doing with it, and then letting it go for the next artist. I think that really was inspiring and fun for me to watch. I really enjoyed that. When I got the painting, I was challenged, but I welcomed the challenge to kind of add to and incorporate a little bit of myself into the group, bring a little bit of me onto the painting. That's always a challenge. So I started with looking at the colors. The colors were very vibrant that were there, and I brought in some blue to kind of settle myself, and then I was inspired to go from there. And I really love the finished product, and I'm so happy that it was sold right away, and I'm so happy for the buyer to be able to display this beautiful piece of art in their home. So thank you very much.
Hey everybody, I'm number 4 on 5 Arts Traveling Painting. I'm Anne Golumbach. And this was such a fun project to do with the ladies. The most interesting part for me as number 4 was getting the painting and really liking how it looked already, and then knowing I needed to add to it and then also save room for number 5. But I laid down the 5 and the 1, a little swiggly at the top, and a piece of cardboard. But when I laid down the 5, I panicked because it didn't look right, and I just said, you know what, you need to focus and figure it out, and you'll come up with something. And I did, and I think it turned out great. I love the painting, and I'm so happy for our lovely owner, Kathy. All right, have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.
Hi, I was number 5, part of the traveling piece made by the 5 Art Group. My name is Minaz Raizadeh, and I think I had the easiest and the hardest part of this collaboration. It was very easy because I received this amazing piece with a beautiful composition, an amazing color palette. The collage was very well done. It almost seemed like I didn't have space for my own mark, so I really had to sit with it, think about it. And I decided to put my mark in a more like graffiti style, more urban street art style. I added lots of French words. It says amour toujours, which is love always. I added our numbers, number 5s, and Roman numbers and classic numbers. I added some grids and made it more, I did my touch without taking away too much from the other amazing artists. It was an amazing experience. I loved seeing our piece traveling. We were all super excited, and seeing our followers getting excited was also a great feeling. That's something that I think we'll revisit very soon. We'll probably collaborate some more in traveling pieces. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for some more. Bye!